Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and the question is 7 is to power 8 is to power 3 plus 2x is equal to 3 is to power 2 is to power 7x minus 4. You can see that this is our given question, and this question belongs to rising in power question, and we will solve this question for the value of x. So, in order to solve this question, first we will convert this value, which is 9, into a power form, and we will get, after converting this value 9 in power form, 3 is to power 2 into 8 is to power 3 plus 2x, and the other side of the equation will remain same. Now, in the next step, we multiply these 2 with this 8 is to power 3 is to plus 3 plus 2x, and the other side of the equation will remain same. Now, from the basic rule of algebra, if two bases are equal, then their power will also equal together. So here we apply the same rule, and then we will get in the next step 2 into 8 is to power 3 plus 2x is equal to 2 is to power 7x minus 4. Now, this 8 can be written as 2 is to power 3, and 3 plus 2x in multiplication is same as before. This 2 is same as before, and the other side of the equation will remain same. Now, now we will multiply this 3 from this bracket, and we will get 2 into same as before, and 2 is to power 9 plus 6x, because when we multiply both this value we will get 9 plus 6x, and the other side of the equation, which is 2 is to power 7x minus 4, will remain same. Now, from the basic rule of algebra, if the bases are in multiplication which have same value, then their power will add together. You can see here, if the bases are same, then their power will add together, but this value must be in multiplication. So here we can write as a is to power m plus n. So here we apply the same rule. Here the bases are same in multiplication and same, then here we can add both this power, and we will get in the next step is 2 is to power 10 plus 6x, and the other side of the equation will remain same. Now, from the basic rule of algebra, if the bases are equal, then their power will also equal. So here if we apply the same rule, and we will get 10 plus 6x is equal to 7x minus 4. Now, this is the two-step linear equation. So here we will solve this equation for x. So this 6 will move to the other side of the equation and convert into the minus sign, and this minus 4 will move to the other side of the equation, and we will get in this 4 in positive value. Now 7x minus 6x is equal to x, and 10 plus 4 will be equal to 14. This is the value of for this expression is x is equal to 14. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.